In this video, we are going to be looking at how to install Laravel e-commerce system, which is a single vendor. Laravel e-commerce system, single vendor. So let's see some properties of this script. Look at it. 2 different home demo, 6 payment method, multi-language and currency, advanced order tracking, admin and user dashboard, easy installation. The one I'm using for this testing purpose is Zairito. So after downloading your script or purchasing your script, then I go straight to my cPanel. For my cPanel, I go to my file manager. Use the engagement link in the description to engage me to help you install your script or customize your script. So for my file manager, I go to my subdomain I'm using for this testing purposes. I've already installed it. Next, I'm going to extract it. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Extract files. So next, I click on close. I open the extracted file. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Select all. I'm moving them to the root folder. Move files. I click on up one level. So let me select my site name, enter. Let me scroll down. All are in good order. So I will go back to my file manager. I will set route, resources, public, storage and .env to 777 permission. Resources, route, storage, .env, let me confirm again. Route remains storage. Let me refresh. Okay, it means public. Save. So let me go back to my site. I refresh again. All are set now. So next, I click on next. For your script installation or script customization, use the engagement link in the description to engage me to help you install or customize your script. Or if you want to build your script from the scratch, also use the engagement link to help you build your script in its innovative tech project or tech web development. So next, I will go back to my database to create my database. So let me go back to my cPanel. This time I'm going to my database. Databases. Here is it, my SQL database. So let me name my database as this. I click on create database. I have successfully created my database. So let me click on go back. After creating my database, next I'm going to create my user, that's database user. So let me scroll down to the database username, my SQL users. So yes, I should name my database user as this. Then next I click on create user. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. I have successfully created my database database username. So next I click on go back. After creating my database and database username, so next I'm going to add my user to my database. So let me scroll down. I will make sure I select the one I just created. Site. Yes, it's upload site. Look at it. That's why it's empty. So next I click on add. I give up privileges, then scroll down to make changes. I have successfully added my database username to my database name. So next, let me just copy my database username. I go back to my site. So my database user, database name, and my database name. After filling it, then I click on next. So I close this. Okay, I can close this as well. As you can see, I've successfully installed my script. So for your script installation or your script customization, or you even want to build it from the scratch, use the engagement link in the description to engage me to help you do all that and even more. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks. Okay.